What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got Robbie back there running away because he's shy. Anyway, we have a very special truck right here in front of us that you guys would love to see. The reason why you guys would love to see it is because, well, it's very familiar. Let's go ahead and reveal it. Nope, it's not my old truck, but it does have my old setup, which is the 24x14 TIS off-road with 37 1350 Toyos. Looks like he's hit the curb a couple times already. What did I say? 24x12, I'm sorry. 24x12 on 37 1350 Toyos. This is a 2012, which is 1 year newer than my old Lml Denali HD. So it's the exact same body style as my old truck. And when I first saw it, honestly, kind of thought it was my old truck because it does look pretty similar. And he did have 14 wides before he bought my old setup. So it did have a good bit of stance, and he had 38s. And the reason why he got mine is he rubbed pretty bad with the 38s and the 14 wides. He wanted to do TIS wheels. Let's go ahead and do a little quick walk around of this truck. Was there anything performance wise?
Just delete and
just delete
and then straight pipe.
So under the engine bay is completely stock, right? So first things first, the suspension, obviously you guys are going to see because it's a very bright green. I think that might actually be shocker yellow, but it might not be.
Do you need a ladder?
Sour apple?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, it's illusion green.
Illusion green? So it's got... Boy, did you play baseball when you were younger? So he's got sour apple, powder coat suspension, CST, 8 to 10 inch lift if I'm not mistaken, right? One thing I like about CST, and it's really just CST that has like this kind of setup, dual reservoir shocks with the little shock hoop mount. Not really sure. Somebody let me know why this kit comes with Fabtech upper control arm. I would think CST would come up with their own control arm for this setup, but that looks really good in my opinion. It kind of reminds me of California style. Same dual reservoirs and the shock hoop. It looks like something from the West Coast, but I really dig it. He's rocking about, I forget how many rock lights you're running. 26 of JW Motorsports rock lights, which we'll show you guys in the nighttime. Looks like it's got upgraded tie rods. All right, PPE. I thought it was Cognito, but I guess it's PPE. And then in terms of the steering, everything is stock. Idler pitman arm is stock, but I recommend getting the Kryptonite ones. And the headlights, you know this truck was built in 2012. I'm not bashing or anything, but you know it was built in 2012 and it was like a sick build back then because of these sick halo headlights. These were the shit, literally 5-6 years ago. Yeah, I mean, he's got the projectors, he's got the little LED.
And you can't forget
the pods inside. I mean, that truck was freaking mint. I mean, this headlight was freaking mint back like 4 or 5 years ago. Like everybody wanted these. And honestly, I still like them a lot. Robbie's gonna switch it up. He did buy my old headlights, which I'm gonna attempt to bake them open and then repaint the inside because the paint was peeling a little bit from, I guess whoever did the headlight didn't prep it correctly, so the paint started bubbling because they've been sitting in my garage for like a year. There's a lot of little bugs out here. I mean, he's got a little animal farm right there, so a lot of gnats because of animal poop. Oh, it's bothering me a lot. Dude, it's bothering me a lot. But I'm trying to stay cool. We have up front, we got the Fusion bumper. People either hate it or love it, but in my opinion, I think the Fusion bumper looks really good, especially if you have a big truck. Dalton's truck, it's a 12-inch lift on 40s. I love the Fusion bumper on his truck. I don't think I would like any other bumper on that truck because it makes it look super aggressive. I think it makes this truck look really good too, but Robbie's thinking about putting factory bumpers back on or Flog Industry possibly. Fitment wasn't too bad. You just gotta adjust it perfectly to make it where it fits.
Well, I may get flogged because I called the dealership and they said it was going to be like $2,500.
Oh my god, for a factory bumper? Yeah, forget that. Yeah, forget that. Get flogged. Leave a comment below if you think he should get the Flog off-road bumper over Fusion. And if he does, I guess these bumpers will be for sale. So make sure to hit up Robbie, but don't hit him up yet. All right, so we got pretty much stock engine bay. Resonator delete. But stock CP4. And do you have the downpipe? I can't see.
No, it doesn't have any of it.
No downpipe? I thought it did have a downpipe. It does. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, because remember Devin was saying that they didn't list it on the...
It's got a downpipe.
Yeah. So it's like tuned and deleted, but it looks like they just put a blocker plate for the EGR. and then they did the downpipe while they were doing it. Let's see. What is the EGR even on there?
Somebody so high.
I don't feel like climbing up. You see the up pipe. Fully deleted with the peep.
No.
Alright, so it's basic, tuned and deleted, downpipe, 5-inch exhaust. He did have the Nathan K5 train horns, which doesn't work anymore. Can you hit that real quick? It's really sad. I don't know what happened. We're gonna have to get Alex to figure it out because
The truck good.
yeah, it sounds like a
Where'd the ship go?
I know, right? Where's the ship?
Neighbors gonna complain now.
Nah, it wasn't loud enough for them to complain. So it looks like he's got flight fab, traction bars, Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks all the way around, axle dumped,
Polished drive shaft.
polished drive shaft. Did you polish it yourself? No, everything is powder coated. Off-road bumper. We got a BMW hitch. My favorite part is the rock lights, which we'll show off. We gotta do something about the tail light.
I don't like those taillights.
You like those tail lights?
No, I don't.
Oh, you don't?
I don't.
Shoot, I got the stock one at the house. You can put back on.
No, I don't want to stop.
I don't know. I'd rather put a stock one than that.
The rears are bright though.
I have not seen tail lights like these in a hot minute. Okay, I can see how they're bright. And then what kind of mirrors are these? Boost?
No, they're stock.
Stock?
I'm gonna order the boost switchbacks though and put them in there.
This body style didn't come with this mirror, so it's gotta be like eBay ones.
No,
Or OEM?
You can tell by the ridge lines right there.
Well, I could get boost and put them in there, right?
I would just get the,
I'll say just keep the
Lens.
mirrors and change the lens out.
'Cause these
Yeah,
could be
switch
boost.
back strip.
this could be boost before they, no, I don't think so. I think it's like an eBay one, but at the end of the day,
I mean, it looks like the same ones my dad had.
I was gonna say at the end of the day, as long as you put the boost lens, you'll be alright. Dude, that will kill somebody. That will kill somebody if you use it.
Oh, I have.
You have?
Yeah, if people
Jesus.
don't turn their brights off on me, I turn that bad bitch on.
Oh, and you got a light bar back here too? You got a light bar in the middle. That in itself is a light bar. The fog light in itself is a light bar.
Yeah.
I bet it's brighter than that light bar inside, to be honest.
Oh yeah, it's brighter than everything combined.
Because I don't think that it's a rigid. It's probably like Mictuning or something.
eBay.
eBay. There we go.
Did your LML sit this high?
Set a little higher, I think.
Yeah, about to say it did sit higher.
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
I think it was big, like oddly big for the size lift that was on it.
Pretty sure it was a little bit bigger than this.
Mm-hmm.
Like maybe an inch bigger.
It was honestly a good bit bigger than that.
Think so?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I don't think it was that
Your
big.
that truck sat really big for the size lift that was on it. Be easy to find out after when I pull my truck out if you just pull that one next to mine. Pull up the old picture I got of mine next to yours.
But
We
you got
need a
new
flat
tires.
Surface, though. We need to go in the cul-de-sac or something.
Yeah.
Sure.
It doesn't seem like it's a 10-inch lift.
Have you ever seen my air compressor?
But no, it looks like a 10-inch lift. It just looks like it's not turned all the way up to 10 inches.
It is an 8 to 10, so...
Well, CST, they base their lifts off of like max height.
Oh, dude, you're like still flat. You could go like another 2 inches.
They've never actually told me like what it's set at. I just assumed that
Yeah.
it would be set at 10.
No,
No.
Now,
Also, the cool thing about this truck, it's a 2012 Denali with 40,000 original miles. That is stupid low. And whoever owned it took really good care of it because the way his rock lights were wired, I was actually impressed how everything was routed and how everything was just hidden away. One of the things...
take them out though.
Yeah, it is. I'm going to take them out. One of the things that impressed me was every single like nut and bolt is covered with these little caps. That's true. Like you look at even the CV axles. Everything's got a little cover, it's capped off like that.
Yeah, the cover on the...
That takes some dedication to go around and literally cap off every little bolt. I thought that was a button when I first saw it. I thought you were supposed to press on it. Dude, I like it. Makes me kind of miss my old Denali.
It's for sale.
Why?
Everything has a price.
Oh my gosh.
yeah, I said the same thing.
$90,000.
I'm not gonna buy another one just like it. If I buy another Denali or LML, I want to buy a silver one. And I also...
Then we'll sell you his.
I'll buy his.
$80,000.
I want that body style. I'll buy it.
I'm sure he'll sell it for the right price.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. And I'll buy it for the right price. And we'll never
I'll
meet. I do like his truck, but I need a Denali.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. His is an SLT.
Yeah, I can't do an SLT.
Yeah, mine's sold, so.
Holden just sold his truck. That's why he's a little dirty. We're doing a separate video.
That was terrible. Changed that oil a little bit when it was a little bit too warm. Hit the drain plug again, kind of splattered a little bit on me.
Didn't even wait. Got here. He was like, all right, we'll start draining the oil.
The only thing I wish I did have was a sunroof.
Oh, you don't have a sunroof?
I hate sunroofs.
Oh, that's a no for me though. I need a sunroof.
I hate sunroofs. I hate the sun.
I don't
No?
use them.
That's why you tint it.
It is tinted, but I just keep the visor shut because it's not.
I don't
dark enough.
open them usually. I just
Really?
like to have it.
Yeah, I like sunroofs.
It's nice to be able to fucking watch under the stars.
Well then.
Whoa. Kind of wish my LLY had a sunroof, but it doesn't. Denali have one, and my AT4 has one, and I don't think I would buy a new truck.
Makes you feel a little rich.
No, I just like them. I just love cruising with the sunroof, especially at the beach or something, or the mountains.
I just feel like it makes your truck feel less boxy if it has a
Just call
sunroof.
'em-
It's like a glorified
Wow,
shitbox.
that's. We're gonna have all these angry people in the comments. My truck doesn't have a sunroof. What are you trying to say?
My next truck won't have a sunroof either.
That's
so
right.
I guess it will be a shit box. So
I mean, most of the
it'll be all
vehicles I had haven't had sunroofs.
So Holden is selling or sold.
right. Yeah, it's sold. I
It's
got
sold.
a deposit on it.
Hey, you can
Friday
give the
morning.
deposit back.
Do
Just
what?
kidding. You can give the deposit back.
No, I got my asking price. I mean, I didn't
Yeah.
want to sell it. Only way I was going to sell it is if I got what I wanted and it
True.
straight didn't BS. I mean, it was sold within 20 minutes. Literally,
Yeah.
we talked for 20 minutes on the
Damn.
phone and he was up sending you a deposit.
I mean, the price was pretty good though.
Yeah,
in my
I mean,
opinion.
I'm not. The price was what I wanted.
How about
so,
this? I got you a better deal. I'll trade you those 2 tractors for your truck.
The projectors look pretty nice, pretty fancy. Oh, he's got cab lights. I love that suspension though, to be honest. Off-road, baby. Is he gonna get stuck? He's stuck. Engage in 4-wheel drive. What's taking him so long? Life is a beach and I'm just playing in the sand. What are we doing? Is he looking for the 4-wheel drive button? It's in 4-wheel drive. That's awesome. Ooh. All right, let's go ahead and turn the rock lights on. Dang, son. There you go. Lighting up that suspension.
Wheel lights next week.
Wheel lights next week? Nah. We might add a little bit more, to be honest. Like, just for the underglow.
Like how Donnie has his setup.
Yes.
'Cause his is bright as hell.
Yep. He had some dingy green ones that were popular back in 2015 when this truck was pretty much getting built. I mean, I love this truck. It does make me miss my old truck. Mirrors, the lens. And one thing I always wanted to do was paint the mirrors gloss black. I think that'll look really good.
I'm thinking about doing that.
Because that's what I wanted to do. I just never got to doing before I sold it.
Eventually, I'll be getting the truck repainted.
You're going to get this repainted?
Yep, with flake in it.
Dang.
Probably like next year, not like this year.
Yeah, that's true. There you go. We'll show you a little height difference between. I know it's a little hilly. That's where Robbie got stuck. Did you put it in 4-wheel drive?
4-low.
4-low. Heavy trucks.
I wasn't about to mess up my dad's perfection over here.
There you go. Look at the... We're pretty close. That body style just looks freaking humongous compared to...
It doesn't look. It is humongous compared to the old body style.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it is bigger, but also like just you can just tell it looks freaking humongous. Especially like Matt's truck with the off-road bumper.
Like, comment, and subscribe.